Welcome to Map Instinct. This is a channel where you think it and you map it. So today we'll be looking at how to extract or clip out raster files from a larger raster file. So we want to clip out a smaller portion of a digital elevation model from this bigger digital elevation model of Nigeria. So what you need to do is ensure that you've placed your DEM image on your mapping environment as it is placed here, and also the shapefile that you want to extract the DEM into. So in this case, we are going to make use of this shapefile. As you can see here, we are making use of Plateau State. This is the shapefile we want to extract the DEM for Plateau State. So this is another method. If you want to check the normal method using the Arc toolbox, you can check our channel for that video, or check the link in the description below. Alright, the method we're going to be using is the image analysis, using the image analysis tool. This is located on the menu toolbar, the second to the last tool, or the second to the last menu, called Windows. You click on Windows and then scroll down to the last option. The last option is image analysis. So once you click on it, this shows up. So you can see your DEM. We're making use of an SRTM image here. So what you need to do is make sure you click on it, make sure you select the SRTM or your DEM file as it is selected here. Make sure you select it, and then you head over to your table of contents on your layers. Select the shapefile or your area of interest that you want to extract the DEM into. Right click on it and then click on Open Attribute Table. Then make sure you select that layer. Make sure it is the shapefile is selected in your attribute table as you are seeing here. So what you need to do is next is click on your image analysis, the DEM, your image analysis tool, and then move down to this option, this cut option. You're seeing a scissor symbol here. It's saying clip. So we're going to use this tool to clip out Plateau State from Nigeria. So once you click on this tool, clip, instantly it extracts Plateau State. So to be sure, we're going to move to the table of contents layers and then uncheck the bigger SRTM data of Nigeria. So you can see this is the extracted file or the extracted image of Plateau State from Nigeria, and it's as simple as that. This can be very helpful if you want to quickly run an analysis like the stream network. You want to extract rivers and you don't want to deal with larger DEM files, but you want to confine it to a smaller area. This method is very good for you. So this is a very good method. Tell me what you like about this method. If you prefer this to the normal or the conventional method of going through your Arc toolbox and through your data management tools and raster, and then raster processing, and then you clip. Let me know what you like or what you feel concerning this method. Alright, see you guys another time. Don't forget to like our channel and subscribe, and also share our channels. We drop videos every week. So stay tuned for another video.